In this session we'll be looking at how to best apply settings in GrabCAD Print to successfully print transparent models. So let's say I have a model designed like this within KeyShot. Go into GrabCAD and let's go off and bring that model in. And here the first thing to do is to, under Model Settings, let's go to More Settings, and we'll select Body Appearance, and that is the look that we were after. Where here is going to be glass clear, and here is going to be our color, somewhat transparent. And under Tray Settings and Advanced, want to make sure that we have this optimized for packaging feature enabled, and that is going to best reproduce these types of advanced textures, gradients and transparencies. And then this part is ready to be printed.